Hi everyone, today we're taking a closer look at IDFC First Bank's Always You First marketing wall. This innovative wall symbolizes the bank's commitment to its customers and its slogan Always You First. At the heart of this marketing wall is a digital avatar that walks with you everywhere you go. It's a unique and interactive way to show that IDFC First Bank is always with you, no matter where life takes you. So, let's take a closer look at this marketing apparel and see what makes it so special. Made with 20 motion sensors, the wall is a large digital display that features a digital avatar that walks alongside you as you move through the space. It is a visual representation of the bank's slogan Always You First, and demonstrates the bank's commitment to being there for their customers every step of the way. The avatar represents the bank's promise to always put you first, no matter what. So there you have it, a perfect experiential marketing product that makes your customers experience your brand. To create more such marketing and brand experiences, contact us at info@techxp.tech.